What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create job alerts on LinkedIn, a great feature that lets you stay updated with job opportunities without needing to constantly check the platform. To start, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Jobs tab, which you can find at the bottom right corner of your screen. While on the Jobs tab, tap on a job listing that interests you. As you scroll through the job details, you'll notice an option to set alerts for similar jobs somewhere in the middle of the page. Toggle this option on, and just like that, you've set a job alert for positions similar to the one you're interested in. If you want to manage these alerts or set up new ones, tap on Preferences at the top middle of the jobs page. In the Preferences menu, select Job Alerts. Here, you will see your active job alerts along with options to edit them. You can change the frequency of these alerts to daily, weekly, or as preferred, ensuring you receive updates at the rate that suits you. Each alert can be edited for specifics like job title, location, and more. If you no longer need an alert, you can simply delete it by tapping the Delete button next to the respective alert. And there you have it. Setting up alerts on LinkedIn is quick and easy, and it's a powerful way to make sure you don't miss out on relevant job opportunities. This feature saves you the time and effort of daily searches, bringing the latest job updates directly to you. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.